Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we are going to be working on the inside of the car because there's still more rust. What a surprise. So there's a couple spots right behind the dash that need to be, cut out, and then we'll fill it with a piece of metal because we have plenty of leftover from the floors. So that'll be fine, and we'll fill that and shoot it with some primer, and it'll be good to go. So originally, I wanted to hit this spot with a smaller die grinder, but we didn't have the little extension for it, and I wanted to get this done today, but it actually has some really good metal around it, which is good for us. And that's because good metal is easier to weld to. So the next thing we're about to do is flap disc the areas which we're about to weld, and the little bit of surface rust that's on the other spots, so we can hit those with some paint as well. So the only thing we have to do is change this out to our flap disc. Sweet. Let's flap disc the inside. Oh no, this sucks. Oh no! No! Okay. Some more bad news. What a surprise. So, when I was going, I kind of went under everything, and guess what? You're never going to believe it. More rust. But the good news is, it's not as bad as what I originally thought. The bad news is it's still there. So, yeah, this is a giant hole that's not supposed to be here. So, I'm going to have to undo the spot welds from this thing, and then this belt interlock unit, which, if anybody's looking for one, I'll sell it to you for free. And we'll have to cut this out too, unfortunately, and patch that as well. And the other thing is, where the AC used to come in here and vent out, there's a giant hole here, which I need to patch up one way or another. I'm afraid if I patch it right here and then weld it up and seam seal it, that'll be great, except I'm afraid that we're going to have some standing water in here, and that's not good. Just let me know down in the comments below what I should do. That'd be much appreciated. I'm going to look it up tonight as well. So, I'm sure y'all will see that here soon in a future episode. Also, before I hear it from one of my friends who actually watches this video, the holes in the front of the floor will be sealed up. It's just going to be with a little bit of seam sealer because this isn't a show car. So it doesn't have to be absolutely perfect, and it's structurally sound. Just have a couple of little holes in it. It's fine. It's fine. We're not going to have any water in the car. Let's hop into making the little patch for the big hole. The big hole we knew about. Alright guys, so everything that's rusty on the top part anyway, so we're not going to get to the bottom part like we talked about earlier. We'll have to do that at a later time, but I'm going to go ahead and shoot this with a little bit of primer so it doesn't flash rust. This one went all the way through, so I'll spray it on the other side as well. I know I'm going to catch some heat for this because it's just a patch over the top. It doesn't look very good, but it's going to be behind the dash and it's not a show car, so I'm not worried about it. And the bottom half, besides just kind of hitting it with a little bit of a flat disc and getting the big chunks of rust off, I haven't really touched it. That one piece we're going to have to do at a later time. It's getting kind of late on me and I don't have very much time this week to work on the car, so this is going to be kind of a shorter episode. We will come back and seam seal this and the bottom part and the floors and everything else in the car all at the same time. Let's go ahead and get these primed. Alright guys, so I know the video wasn't as long as it normally is this week, but next week it should be a normal episode. We just didn't have that much time to get that much done this week, and I'm sorry about that. Next week it'll be just like normal. Thanks for watching all the way through. It really does help get the channel out in front of new people who enjoy this content, which is actually pretty cool. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below, and I will catch y'all next time. Peace. Oh, that's as good as it's gonna get.